I'm Sam, and today I'm going to show how to fix Windows shutdown problem. Method 1. Go to the power options. Under power option, choose what the power button does. Click on change the settings that are currently unavailable. Uncheck turn on the fast startup, save changes, and start. If this method doesn't work, then we will choose the method 2. Method 2, go to the properties, manage, device manager. On a device manager, go to the system device, go to the interface management engine interface, right click, properties, driver, check driver version. If it's 10 or 11, uninstall it. I have already uninstalled. Search on the in the Google and install interface management engine interface 9.5 and start. That's it. Thank you.